Brad's first time trial, first and one and only actually. Saturday morning. I would say we're looking for about a 26 here. 27, 626, 627, something in that window. Three stages are on. Pumping in. We're in. 627. Hey, welcome back everybody to our YouTube channel. It is Sunday morning and it is currently very cold outside. We have, I believe right now, 9 degrees below zero. We have our fair share of snow. Race car trailers are sitting outside there. And I am in the garage with the S10 and Kaylin's car. Just wanting to do a little bit of maintenance and hang out in the shop today. We got the transmission about 2/3 out of the S10. We got to take the transmission out and take it and get it repaired. Power glide in there, of course, FTI power glide. And last time we were out at Cedar Falls, we had some kind of deal where I think we maybe hurt low gear a little bit and second gear. So something's got to get fixed on that, and it's overdue. We got 2 years of beating on it since Chris Bishop freshened it up last time, so can't complain. You know, you got 800 horsepower, you got a 3,300 pound truck. That baby sees some abuse. I would almost venture to say it probably sees more abuse than what a dragster transmission sees. Even though the dragster has 1,200 horsepower, it only weighs 1,900 pounds. So this has 800 horsepower with 3,300 pounds of resistance, dead hooking. That transmission sees some abuse. In Kaylin's car, what we got to work on today is we got to figure out why the fuel cell's loose in there. The mount that American puts on these fuel cells is nothing to write home about. And it's just a bent piece of aluminum. Looks like they bent it over a 4x4. And nothing fancy about it. I realize it does the job, but they are prone to cracking. And I know this one has cracked before because I remember seeing it when we have it out in the past. I remember seeing where it's been welded up already in the past. So gonna get the fuel tank out of there and see what we got to do there. And other than that, that's gonna be about my Sunday morning. Basically just staying inside where it's warm. So I'll put you guys on a little bit of time lapse, and I'm gonna work on getting this tank out of Kaylin's dragster. Hope everybody's doing good, staying warm. Here's the broken ear, just like we figured. The broken ear. So what you seen there was I got that fuel cell out of Kaylin's car. We'll get that repaired and get it back in there. Everything else looks good on it, not a problem. So it's getting to be close to 11 o'clock now Sunday morning. We are going to go grab a bite to eat for lunch. And then I'll be back here and we'll keep working on this car. Talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys, you can see that we got the fuel cell out of Kaylin's car. This is what it's made up of. I do believe that's like a Jazz fuel cell. Piece of aluminum, like I said, that American takes and bends, comes down, and then they make a 90 down here and they mount to the floor behind the driver's seat. You can see this side's been repaired once already, that broke off. And this side's been repaired once, that broke off. And here is the little tab that broke. You know, these things see a lot of vibration. Them Hoosier tires, they like to shake in the water box, obviously. That's why we run Mickey's. But sees a lot of abuse and age. I mean, could it be a nicer bracket, something beefier? Absolutely it could be. But in the world of mass production, this is what you get. It does the job, but it definitely needs maintenance. There's no getting around it. So we'll get this fixed. I don't know, I could call American and have them send me a new strap, but I think I'm just gonna cut it here, make up a new piece of aluminum, bent it a 90, attach it with some button heads. I'm gonna do both sides, might as well, because this one's due to break anyways. And I think we're gonna be just fine. So that was the nice thing about the Miller dragsters, was they had an aluminum fuel cell. And then there was a couple of, you know, them bungs that they mount on the bottom of the aluminum fuel cell where you run a bolt up from through the bottom and it holds the tank. But obviously that takes a lot more time to build and would definitely cost more money. So this gets the job done. It's just nothing that lasts forever, of course. Talk to you guys later.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, you guys. I hope you guys all had a great 2025 season. Now it is January 1st, heading into 2026. It is going to be a great year, you guys. We are going to keep publishing content for you guys as much as possible, hoping to do more videos than we did last year. I know it's hard working full-time jobs and doing all that stuff and racing as much as we can, but we're going to do our best to give you guys more content this year. I know last year we did a couple videos a week when we were racing. I'm hoping to try to hopefully do some maintenance videos throughout the week, head into the track videos, and of course updating you guys all week long as to what the plans are, updating you while we're at the track, how we're doing. Check out the Facebook video, Biggs Racing channel, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff you guys always do to keep in the loop as to what we're doing. Today, January 1st, 6 degrees outside. Here we are, Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I am heading over to the shop right now. We got to pull the transmission out of the truck. As you saw in one of the last videos, Grandpa, I believe it was first time trial or first round, I'm not sure, it's been a while now, but we hurt the transmission on the launch. Truck left hard, went about 30 feet, slammed down, wasn't good. Grandpa shut it down, transmission's hurt. So we're gonna go pull that out, get her racing it out, get it fixed, and see what else we gotta work on this offseason. I know the Drakes are all pretty well ready for the next race. We didn't shut them down because of anything that the cars were doing. It just, as you can tell, it gets awfully cold around here. So we shut them down. Now we're sitting here counting down the days, getting ready for race season. So head on over to the truck and let's see how we do, you guys. Well, everybody, here we are. As you can see, we got, I think we're up to a foot of snow in the last week or so. Foot of snow in Wisconsin. Head on in and see what these guys are up to. Dad? You ready?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
Okay, it's going out.
Okay.
Wait, we're in the center section. Gotta pull you away a little bit. Okay, come down. There you go now. Push. Need any more than that?
Oh yeah. I would imagine.
I'm hitting the actual rear end.
I would imagine you're gonna have to go up, ain't you?
Oh, okay, well, I go back in then.
Down ain't gonna.
I thought I had like 6 inches, so I thought it was enough to pull it out.
Well, up
That's not really an answer.
No. Then go down and over or something and turn it if you
Okay, I
have
can
to.
try.
I'm gonna put it neutral now.
Yeah,
Hang on.
good. Might help us.
Okay.
You must be really close to making it.
Yeah, it's possible, but I'm not out. There you go. Keep going. One more right there.
I got no more I can go.
Okay, I'm out.
Okay.
Trying to get my knees in there, but it's not cooperating.
Typical.
So it's a leak some fluid on it. I guess that's as far as this goes. Okay. There it went.
Got her?
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, the drive shaft's where it's at. It's not going anywhere.
Okay, here we are, you guys. We had a great day in the shop. I will recap here Kalen's fuel cell stuff. If you remember earlier in the video, I was showing you how that bracket had broken. What we did now was we made up an aluminum add-on piece, if you want to call it, like an extension, bent it, attached it to the original bracket, and then bolted it to the floor with some 1/4 bolts versus them little 832s that they had on there. So that's all in there nice and steady now. And that project is done. So what we did now this afternoon was we got the transmission out of the S10. AJ did. Help from AJ and help from Anthony. We got the tranny out of the S10 sitting here. That has to go and get repaired. At the last race in Cedar Falls, we had some problems with it. We're not quite sure what happened, but it definitely quit working. So there's the converter, the Hughes converter. We'll have to send that out and get it freshened up and cleaned up. But the fluid is really brown and smoked in there, so something definitely went sour. So that's basically where we're at, you guys. We just wanted to give you a little update and let you know what's happening. It's January 1st right now. Happy New Year to everybody. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Other than that, we'll let you guys go. You guys want to say goodbye?
Thanks for watching.
Okay, catch you guys later.